Hello guys, in this video we're going to be covering division and specifically one-digit divisors, meaning we're going to be dividing by one-digit numbers. If it's been a while and you need a quick refresher, this should be helpful for everyone no matter your situation. Everyone can use a bit of a refresher sometimes, even if it's just a one-digit division. If you're in high school, college, continuing your education as an adult, or you have just recently learned this, everyone can use a bit of a refresher, and so this video is good for everyone no matter your situation. So let's jump into number one, where we have 972 divided by 6. So we're going to be taking a couple of steps here. We're going to divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using the easy method on how to divide by one digit. So let's write these two down. So we're gonna divide 972 by 6. So first step we have to take is we have to see how many times does a 6 fit into 9. So a 6 only fits one time into the 9, so we write a 1 down here. What we now have to do is we have to multiply. So we multiply the 6 by the 1 and we get a 6, of course. So we write the 6 down here and we subtract the 6 from the 9. So 9 minus 6 equals 3. So now the next step we have to bring down the digit next to the 9. So like this we bring it down and we have 37. Now we're going to repeat the process, but with 37. So now 37 divided by 6, or you can see it as how many times does 6 fit into 37. So we know that 6 times 6 equals 36, so it fits, 6 fits 6 times into 37 and not 7 times, because 7 times 6 equals 42, and that's above our 37. So we write a 6 down here. Now again, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to multiply 6 by 6. 6 times 6 equals 36. So we're going to write it down here and we're going to subtract again. 37 minus 36 equals 1. 1. Now we have to do this step, bring down. So we bring down our last digit and we get 12. So now for the last time we have to repeat one more time. So again we see how many times does 6 fit into 12. 6 times 2 equals 12, so it fits. So the 6 fits 2 times into the 12. So we write a 2 right here, and again we multiply the 2 by the 6 and we get 12. Now we do 12 minus 12 equals 0. So we end up perfectly without any remainders, and this will be our final answer, 162. So I'm going to write it right here. 972 divided by 6 equals 162. This will be our final answer of the first example. Now we're going to go over to the second example. So for the second example, we have 4,536 divided by 7. Again, we're going to use the exact same method we used for the first example, and we're going to go through this problem together very easy. So let's write this down. We have 7 divided by 4,536. Let's extend this a bit like this. So now, exactly like this one, we did the exact same thing. We divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat. So now we have to look how many times does 7 fit into 4. And you may think, oh, well, it doesn't fit even once into the 4. Well, if you get that problem, we can use the 5 as well. We can combine the two together to create 45. So now we say how many times does 7 fit into 45? So 7 fits 6 times into 45 because 6 times 7 equals 42. If it was 7 times 7, it would equal 49. So it fits 6 times into 45. But you write the 6 over here because we have used these two and not over here. So now again, we're gonna multiply 6 by 7. So 6 times 7 equals 42. So I'm gonna write it down here. 45 minus 42 equals 3. Now we're gonna bring down this number and we leave with 33. Now 33. How many times does 7 fit into 33? 7 fits 4 times into 33. So we write our 4 down here. So now what we do is we multiply 4 by 7 and we are left with 28. So now we have to subtract these two. So 33 minus 28 equals 5. Now again we bring down this number, we get 56 and we repeat one last time. So how many times does 7 fit into 56? Or you can just do 56 divided by 7. But I find it a lot easier to say how many times does 7 fit into 56. And in this case, it fits 7 times into 56. I mean 8 times into 56 because 7 times 8 equals 56. So we write our 8 down here, we multiply 8 by 7 and we get exactly 56. So 56 minus 56 equals 0. So this will be our final answer without any remainders using this easy, simple 4 steps method. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 steps method. So I'm going to write the answer down here again. 4,536 divided by 7 equals 648. This will be our final answer of the second example. So this was basically the video, guys. I hope you guys understand now how to do one-digit division or got a quick refresher out of the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a question in the comments if you'd like. And this was Mr. Mathz, and I'll see you guys in the next one.